Hey everyone, welcome back to J&M Odysseys. Today we're taking you along on a room tour of Stateroom 10766 aboard the Norwegian Bliss. We stayed in this room during our Alaskan cruise. We're going to walk you through the layout, storage, and overall comfort so you can decide if this stateroom is a good fit for you for your next sailing. As soon as we enter the room, the first thing you'll notice is that it is already set up for sleeping. The couch has been converted into a bed, and the hidden bunk has been pulled down from the ceiling. This setup works really well if you're traveling with kids or additional guests, and it still leaves enough space to move around the room comfortably. Next, we have the countertop and mirror area, which is great for getting ready in the morning or using as extra storage. There are cabinets here for personal items, and when I open this up, you will see the mini fridge. Ours came stocked with drinks, which was really convenient after a long day of exploring Alaska. From there, we'll take a look at the king-size bed. This bed has a nightstand on each side, giving you space for charging devices, keeping essentials nearby, or setting down a book at night. Overall, this area feels comfortable and well laid out. Now let's step out onto the balcony. The balcony is fairly small, but it does have enough room for 2 chairs, which is perfect for enjoying the views. One thing we really enjoyed is the glass wall, which helps maximize visibility, which is especially important on an Alaskan cruise, where the scenery is a big part of the experience. Heading back inside, we move over to the closet area. One side has a cubby-style storage along with the room safe, which is great for organizing smaller items. The other side is dedicated to hanging clothes, and we found there was plenty of space for everything that we brought with us. The last area we will show you is the bathroom. The shower is a really good size and comes stocked with shampoo and conditioner. One thing we definitely want to point out is the water pressure. It was excellent, and the water got very hot, which is always appreciated after a long day. There's also plenty of storage under the sink for toiletries and personal items. Overall, Stateroom 10766 on the Norwegian Bliss worked really well for our Alaskan cruise. It offered smart storage, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and a balcony that allowed us to enjoy the incredible views. If you found this tour helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to J&M Odysseys, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the room or cruising on the Norwegian Bliss. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.